Hello everyone, today in front of me I have TCL 30SE smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set the screen sleep timer to never on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings app. At the settings, scroll down until you stumble upon the display category. So let's go ahead and open it. And at the display menu, look for the sleep setting, tap on it, and basically all that it's left to do is to select the never value. And that will ultimately mean that your screen will not turn off automatically at all. Alrighty, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!